Hello students, today we will learn how to create histogram in pipelet plotting. Okay, so histogram, first of all we will learn what is histogram. So histogram shows distribution of values. Histogram is similar to bar graph, but it is useful to show values grouped in bins or intervals. Just like, for example, we can collect the age of each employee of an office and show it in the form of a histogram to know how many employees are there in the range 0 to 10 years, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, and so on. For this purpose, we can create histogram like. Okay. So students, first of all, histogram is similar to the bar graph, and here we can use the histogram to represent the values in intervals. Okay, so first of all, what we have to do, we have to import the matplotlib pipelet module, okay, in our program. So the very first statement is import matplotlib.pipelet as plt. Now after that, here I am taking the two variable age and years. Okay, so here these variable can contain the age of multiple employees of an office. Okay, and years represent the range of the years. Okay, now by using the hist function, we can create the histogram plotting. Okay, so we will call the hist function in reference of plt variable, pipelet variable, and here I am passing the two variables that I have already declared, age, okay, and bins. Bins parameter is used to show the intervals. Okay, so here I am showing the intervals on years basis. So the value that I have contained in years variable, that I have passed here in bins parameter. Okay, now which type of histogram bars you want to display? So I'm using here color parameter value magenta, and hist type, which type of histogram you want to display. So hist type equals to bar I want to display here, and bar width I want to set the 0.6. okay, so r width parameter I'm using here to set the width of the histogram bars width. Okay, now x label, you know that x label is used to set the label of x-axis. In the same manner, y label is used to set the label of the y-axis. Title is used to give the title of the histogram. Legend function is also used to describe that whatever legends you are using in this histogram, and show function is used to display the histogram on the screen. So according to the program, whatever values I have given, whatever functions I have used here, the output is this. Okay, because just like x-axis I have set EMPH, y-axis I have set number of employee, and the title of the chart I have set KVS. Okay, now here years are in the x-axis, okay, that are showing the intervals of the ages, and this bar is showing the age of the multiple employees. Okay, and the color of bar I have set magenta, and the width of the bar I have set 0.6. so according to the function whatever I have used and the values of parameter I have passed, this is the output, students. In the same manner, in example 2, we can check that whatever is the changes here I have used the one more parameter of the hist function, that is age color. So students, if you want to set the histograms bars age color, then you can set that. Here I have set the age color equals to black. Okay, everything is same as the example 1. One more changes I have done in the example number 2, that I have set the ages color of the bar. So here you can check that the ages of the bar is showing with different color, and the color I have set black here, so the ages of the bar is showing with black color. Okay, so this is the histogram, that how we can create the histogram in by using the pipelet module. So now I'm showing the practical of this. So first of that, we have to open the Jupyter notebook for that, students. Okay, and now I'm typing the program here. So the very first of my line of my program is import matplotlib. Matplotlib is a Python library, and in this library I have to call the pipelet submodule. So import matplotlib.pipelet as plt. Then after that, age variable I am using here to mention the different age. So here I am using the age values, multiple age values I am giving here, that represents the ages of different employees. Okay, so then okay, now after that I have taken the next variable years that I will pass in the bins parameter of the hist function. Okay, so that is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay, now after that I have used the plt.hist function to create the histogram. Okay, here I am passing the variable first parameter is I am passing, second bins, and in bins I will pass the variable years. Okay, so automatically it will take the value that I have passed in the years. Okay, then color of the bars I want to set here, I'm setting here yellow. Okay, so yellow. Then after that, hist type parameter is used to set the type of histogram. Okay, here I am setting the bar, and now here I am giving the width. So here I am setting the 0.5 width. Okay, now after that what I have to do, I have to set the x label, y label, title, etc. So plt dot x label, I want to set here x label emp age. Okay, so emp age I want to set here. Now after that, y label I want to set, so plt dot y label, here I want to set number of emp. Okay, now after that I have to set the title. So in plt reference I will call the title function, plt dot title I want to set kvs. Then after that, plt dot show. Okay, now after that I have to run the program by using the alt plus enter. Okay, here is error in the program. Okay, so one comma is missing here. So again alt plus enter to run the program. Now output you can see here, x-axis, y-axis, title, bar color yellow, bar width 0.5. So everything is set according to the value that I have passed. And now you know that hist function is used to create the histogram, and pie function is used to create the pie chart, plot function is used to create the line chart, and one more, bar function is used to create the vertical bar chart, and bar h function is used to create the horizontal bar chart, students. Okay, so now here hist function is used to create the Now here I am using the one more parameter of hist function, that is age color. If you want to set the age color of the bars, then I am setting here red. So again I am running the program. Okay, now you can check the changes that the age color of the bar has been set red here. Okay, now I want to change the hist type from bar. I want to change the hist type step. We can create the step type also, so you can check that this is the step hist type. Okay, so in this step manner, okay, step manner, we can set the hist type, and I'm changing the again here hist type. I want to set the bar stacked. Now I'm running the program. Alt plus enter. Bar stacked is just like this. Okay, we can say it the bar stacked hist type also. Okay, because here bar stack, suppose when we have the two edges, okay, two axis values, then we can set that. Now after that we can set the hist type. We can change the hist type. Now step filled, then alt plus enter. Okay, so this is the step filled hist type, and one that I have set earlier, that the step only, that means there is no filling between the steps. Okay, and bar stacked, I told you, that is the bar or bar stacked is the same. Bar stacked will be look like different when we use the 2x's, when we pass the 2x's value. So in this manner we can check the we can create the histogram, and by using the different values of the hist type, we can change the type of the histograms. Okay, thank you and have a nice